How to add a text behind a moving person in Inshot. Okay, let's start. First I click here text and write my text. I just simply write walking. Here you can change your text font. Now adjust text layer with video layer. Now save the video. Again go to video and click new. Import the exported video. Click tip. Now import your main video. Now click here cutout and auto cutout is starting. Wait until this process is finished. Cutout complete. Now see the video. This text show behind in this person. So friends, thanks for watching. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel